bird here. What it is? Something might be a seagull. Baby one. How big it is. Running on a walk. So he's practicing. Oh, got out of view. Another one coming down. Probably to feed it. Can't really see it unfortunately. If I move the camera a little bit. The window's in the way. So a big chick. Look how big it is. The parva's come down. Mother. It's trying to fly, I think, but you can't really see it. They really are monsters. Big monsters. There he's practicing. Let's have a look. See a little chick. Nearly bigger than the father. Or the mother. It's a monster, isn't it? Look at it. Just probably come out of the nest for the first time, I don't know. See what goes on. Feeding it. It's a bit windy out today, so the wind's picking up a bit more. So there's a little baby there. Mother and father, I think. Baby's escaping from the nest, I think. Trying to keep the camera still as possible. It is far away from me. So different, aren't they, in colour and everything. I think it's going to be white, probably pure white soon, you know. Grey wings, it's going to look like an adult. But it's just amazing why the chicks look so different to the adults, if you see what I mean. How big it is already. It's bigger than crow. Tomorrow morning when I wake up I'm going to feed the pigeons. I'm really looking forward to it. It's on its own again. I'm on full zoom at the moment, but yeah, I'm going to feed the pigeons. And today I went to the pet shop and bought some new big huge, well, 2 huge bags of pigeon food, and also a big bag of nuts as well. And I spent a lot of money. And I bought some wheat, pigeon wheat, and apparently it's their favourite food, so it's going to be the first time I actually feed them with wheat. I was talking to the pet shop guy today, and it took me a long time getting home, and I had to go back again to get another heavy bag. I brought, I think I brought 56 kilograms, 57 or something like that, kilograms of bird food, so it's going to keep me going for quite a while in the future. But I'm just looking forward to waking up tomorrow and feeding Perky and all that, and Red Ring, if you see what I mean. So that'd be, you know, I mean, this morning, as you, I mean, if you saw my previous video, pigeon landed on my head almost, and so I get quite excited actually feeding the pigeons. It makes my day, and I'm just pleased it makes anyone else's day, you know. anyone else that likes it, seeing me feed the pigeons, whatever. So I want to go to different places. I mean, I wanted to go to Southampton today or whatever, but when I got to the trains, they're on strike, so I couldn't do that one. I have to wait until tomorrow maybe. So anyway, that's a baby chick, believe it or not, just standing there. I'm waiting for food probably. But look how huge it is. Probably the first time out the nest. I don't know. So it's just surprising how different they look to their parents, if you see what I mean. I was going for a little walk. Probably only been there for a little while, like 3 months or so, and then look how big it is. It's huge. I think the two parents are up on top of the chimney there, keeping an eye out on it, you know, probably. So it really looks like a bird of prey, doesn't it, when it's young? Like a, you know, I've got pelicans living nearby, and it looks a lot like a pelican to me, or a bird of prey, let's put it that way. But it's a heron gull chick. Probably wants to go for an adventure, and you know, probably can't really fly yet. Having a little bit of a drink there. Alright, I'm gonna call it a day. Have a good day, and look forward to the future, because we're very lucky to have one, and double birds. What's it up to? See how far away I go. That I am out. Before I go a long way away. See, miles away. Alright, have a good day and love all birds.